Hello and welcome to the Counterman Education Center. I'm here with Scott, and Scott, I just went through my last pair of gloves. I had a couple boxes, it took me a while to go through them, but I got to get something new. So what are techs getting these days?
Well, Eric, you know, there's really a lot of choices out there, but pretty simply putting it, these are obviously just your latex gloves. These are great for oil changes, simple mechanic things that you don't have too caustic of materials that you're dealing with. They're not very durable and they don't have great tactile feel to them. Next up would be a nitrile glove. This is more impervious to certain things like gasoline and oil, so it has a little bit better chemical protection for you. It also has a grip to it, but it's still disposable and it will rip and you just throw it away when it's done. If you're into a more heavy repair, like maybe using some kind of an air tool or a jackhammer or something like that, you're going to need something with a lot more protection. You can see these have a leather insert in here to protect the palms of your hands, and it will also give you some protection against that vibration and definitely way more abrasion protection. So if it's a heavy duty repair, you're working underneath the car, this is what you're going to want to use.
Sounds good, Scott. Now, these are kind of referred to, people call them mechanics gloves.
Yeah.
Overall, yeah,
Technicians
okay.
gloves, mechanics
okay,
gloves.
so light duty stuff, I'm going to use the latex or the nitrile, and mechanics gloves for the heavier duty.
Definitely.
That's awesome, Scott. And one more question for you. Yeah. I tell you what, I noticed you have a bag right here that says always wear your gloves. And what's this all about?
Oh, well, these are very specific gloves. These are for use on hybrid vehicles and EVs due to the high voltage. And as you can see, they are complete rubber gloves to protect you from any sort of electrical contact and or shock. They are kept in this pouch at all times except when they're in use because UV light degrades the rubber content in these gloves and therefore not giving you the protection, so they always have to be in the protective bag.
That's awesome. Great information, Scott. Thanks for letting me know, and thanks everybody for watching.